What's good with y'all? Today I'm gonna be installing my subframe connectors. I got my boy with me. Say what's up.
Sir, what's up?
About to go drive to Stockton to get it welded. And gotta pump gas real quick. Make sure we get there. Got the carbon fiber dash thing that I put. Alright. I also wanted to give a shout out to Foxbody on Instagram. He's the one that welded my subframe connectors. Alright, so I'm already back home, back to SAC. So far the ride is pretty smooth. I like it, it feels more stiff. And yeah, it feels much more stronger. The ride was so smooth that my nephew passed out over here. But yeah, so far, pretty good. I'm about to clean my carpet. I was thinking about buying a new carpet, but to be honest, I'm gonna just give it a little clean. I noticed the previous owner installed 3 other of these carpets, because I'm pretty sure it only comes with one. And then right here I got my spare tire. This shit hella dirty back here. What is this? This is for the spare tire as well. This is dope. Sheesh, I'm about to vacuum all this junk right here. Clean under here, might as well. Let's see, I got this little jack. Original lug nuts. Alright, I'm about to clean this up real quick. I got this donut right here. I cleaned the bottom as best as I could. This is all just scuffs from the paint, but that's the best I could get. And then I'm gonna clean the carpet. Alright, so after cleaning this whole carpet, it came out pretty good. I missed that spot right there, but I couldn't really see because it was dark. But so far, compared to how it was, it is way better. Next thing I'm trying to do is paint this whole panels right here in the back. These side pieces all the way. Now I'm gonna put this package in here when it doesn't even fit. Stuck here trying to take this shit out. New part just arrived in the mail. The reason why I had this open is because I was waiting for this to get here. I got this off eBay, really cheap price compared to other websites. These brand new, they were like 60 or 30, and then plus this I couldn't find it anywhere. So for 20 bucks, that's a steal. I'm about to install this right now, and also got a new gas cap. All right, I put everything back together. I got my old one right here. I even painted this, the cover, so it could look better. But yeah, everything works now. Back then, the switch wouldn't even go. Like when I put the lights, it wouldn't stick like this. And then this already worked, and then that's pretty much it. New package. I bought these bushings right here for the door. As you can see, they're gone. And then I bought this latch for the back trunk. It's not closing well, so I just decided to buy a new latch. This is the reason why my trunk wasn't closing good, because it was missing this piece right here. So I decided to just replace the whole thing, might as well. Gotta take this shit off. All right, now time to test it out. I got the new bushing in. Yes, sir. First try, it closed. Before, I had to keep on pushing it and moving it so it could close. But now it's all good.